Good morning and welcome to Wake Up Jamaica.
Follow us on our journey in the Blue Mountains to find the best cup of coffee.
In this episode, we meet with Clifton Mount Estate. What is the history of Blue Mountain coffee?
Well, it actually starts back from as far back as the 1800s. It was discovered that when coffee was grown at higher elevations, particularly in the Blue Mountain where they have a special microclimate, it created a denser bean because it slowed the ripening process.
Right.
And the harder or denser the bean is the more flavorful the coffee. It got the attention of coffee connoisseurs around the world and became a well-renowned specialty coffee.
Hi, I'm Rochelle Remicky. I'm the farm manager here at Clifton Mount Coffee Estate. Well, here on the farm we begin work at 8 a.m. We carry the workers who will be reaping the coffee to the location and place them on the rows that they'll be using for the day, along with their bags into which they will deposit the coffee.
We have a chain of coffee shops called Café Blue because we decided we wanted to take the coffee experience all the way from the bean in the ground to the cup. And control that entire process to ensure that when someone sits in our cafe, they're getting the absolute best of what Blue Mountain has to offer.
Wow, this is fantastic. I can't wait to taste some of this coffee.
Great, well, let's go and have some.
Now for something sweet. Today we're learning how to infuse the strong and the sweet with a tasty affogato. Thanks for coming with us on this journey. We love our coffee and Jamaica.
Follow us while we visit another coffee estate in the next episode.
Jamaica, heartbeat of the world. Let's go.